Today we're diving into a sea of insanely cool devices that you can take anywhere, even to the moon. Yep, it's that awesome. With so many gadgets out there, it's like searching through a virtual haystack. Don't sweat it though, we've got you covered. Here is our newest list of our absolute favorite gadgets just for you. Anker 535 Portable Power Station. We've got a game changer for all your power needs. The Anker 535 Portable Power Station. This little beast is like having a personal charging station in your backpack. With a whopping 512 watt capacity and a 500 watt output, it can juice up anything you throw at it. And check out those ports. 4 AC outlets, 3 USB-A ports, a USB-C port, and yes, a car outlet too. Talk about being a jack of all trades. But wait, there's more. You can charge this bad boy to 80% in under 2.5 hours. Feeling eco-friendly? Go ahead and charge it with a solar panel, because why not? And let's not forget its smarts. It's got a temperature control system to keep things cool, and it's built tough like a superhero to handle those accidental drops. Plus, you've got a sweet 5-year warranty to top it all off. Atmos Gear Electric Skates. All right, gearheads, hold on to your helmets, because we've got a thrilling gadget for you. These electric skates will have you zipping around at a mind-boggling 20 miles per hour, covering 20 miles of ground. And get this, the power comes from a battery pack strapped around your waist. No worries about losing juice mid-skate, folks. These skates offer 2 modes, remote-controlled and smart assistance. Plus, they're compatible with any inline skate. Conquering any surface? You betcha. Let the electric adventure begin. Miaggio Levitating Plant Pot. Here, we've got something truly out of this world. The Miaggio Levitating Plant Pot. Yep, you heard that right. We're defying gravity with our green friends. This bad boy uses mind-blowing magnetic levitation tech to make your plants hover like magic. It's like Harry Potter's herbology class, but with a modern twist. With a capacity of up to 200 grams, this pot not only suspends your plants, but also gives them a smooth spin for that extra mesmerizing touch. Plus, it's not just for plants. Show off your tiny trinkets or jewelry too. It's the ultimate decor that brings awe and wonder to any space. The VAHA Fitness Mirror. Introducing your ultimate personal home fitness hub. This mirror is like having a personal trainer, nutritionist, and cheerleader all rolled into one. We're talking about a 32-inch full HD touchscreen, booming speakers, and a design that screams, "I'm stylish and I work out." Seriously, it won a design award, so you know it's legit. Get ready to explore a universe of on-demand classes. Cardio, bootcamp, strength, bar, Pilates, yoga, meditation, stretching. You name it, they've got it. Connect with top-notch coaches and a community that's as passionate about fitness as we are. Let's get our sweat on. GoCycle G4 Electric Bike. Let's go on a ride with the GoCycle G4 Electric Bike, the absolute boss of e-bikes. This ain't your run-of-the-mill two-wheeler. Nope, this is a luxury folding e-bike that oozes style and engineering genius. I mean, just look at it. With its sleek, futuristic design, single-sided frame, and carbon fiber midsection, it's like something out of a sci-fi flick. And the features? Oh, they're just jaw-dropping. We're talking about a powerful front hub motor, Shimano Nexus gear, hydraulic disc brakes, and even a 32-inch Full HD touchscreen display. Plus, it folds up in a blink and weighs as much as a bag of marshmallows. Anker Make M5 3D Printer. All right, we've got a printing powerhouse in the building, the Anker Make M5 3D Printer. This bad boy is like the Usain Bolt of printers, with a lightning-fast speed of 500 millimeters and precision that'll make your eyes pop. But hold your horses, there's more. This genius contraption has a built-in AI camera that's basically your personal paparazzi, capturing time-lapses of your creations in action. But that's not all. With the Anker Make app, you'll have full control at your fingertips. Plus, it's got a fancy auto-leveling system, easy assembly, and a solid aluminum alloy structure that could survive an elephant stampede. Oh, and did I mention the spacious print volume and compatibility with a bunch of filaments? It's a total game changer, my friends. Ray-Ban Smart Glasses. All right, brace yourselves for the future of eyewear. These bad boys aren't your grandma's glasses. Oh no! They're like the James Bond of eyewear, blending Ray-Ban's iconic style with some mind-blowing Facebook technology. Picture this. You can take photos and shoot videos just by using your voice or giving them a gentle tap. And you can groove to your Spotify playlist without looking like a dancing cyborg. Not only that, but you can chat on WhatsApp without lifting a finger. It even has a smart assistant called Hey Facebook to help you out. But wait, there's more. These glasses have open-ear audio and not one, but two 5-megapixel cameras to capture your epic moments. Get ready to rock your world and create stories worth sharing. It's the coolest thing since sliced bread, my friends. Meta Quest Pro. Check out the ultimate ticket to a mind-boggling alternate universe. This slick headset is no joke. It's built for serious business cats and die-hard enthusiasts who crave the thrilling realms of MR and VR. We're talking a Snapdragon XR2 Plus processor, a mind-blowing 12 gigs of RAM, a whopping 256 gigs of storage, and a resolution so sharp it's like peering into an alternate dimension at 1920 by 1800 pixels per eye. But wait, there's more. Eye tracking, face tracking, hand tracking, and spatial audio. This baby can practically read your thoughts and groove to your every move, taking immersion to new heights. You can use it solo or hook it up to your PC. And get this. It lets you connect and collaborate with fellow virtual reality enthusiasts in Meta Horizon workrooms and other social VR platforms. Teamwork and socializing just got a futuristic makeover. Neewer Pen Limited Edition. Hey there, fellow gadget enthusiasts. Today we've got something extra special for you. Feast your eyes on the Neewer Pen Limited Edition. This bad boy takes your doodles and scribbles and catapults them into the digital realm. With its built-in camera and processor, it transforms your artistic genius in real time. And guess what? No need to panic about battery life either. The Neewer pen comes with a nifty charging case that zaps it back to life in just 15 minutes. Talk about lightning speed. Plus, you'll get a 1-year subscription to Neewer Plus, where your handwriting turns into digital gold and syncs seamlessly with your favorite apps. Get ready to impress with this smart, sleek, and seriously cool pen. NoWatch Smartwatch. This smartwatch is all about taking care of your mind and body, like your personal wellness coach. Forget about screens. This watch speaks to you through gentle vibrations. It's like having a secret Morse code on your wrist, but way cooler. These vibes keep you in check with your stress levels, heart rate, movement, and sleep, giving you the lowdown on your overall well-being. But hold your horses, it gets even better. The NoWatch comes with a nifty app that dishes out personalized feedback and recommendations based on your data. It's like having a virtual wellness guru in your pocket. So if you're on the hunt for a smartwatch that goes beyond telling time and cares about your mental and physical wellness, the NoWatch smartwatch is your new BFF. Trust us, it's the way to go. PetCube Bites 2. We've found the ultimate gadget for all you pet parents out there, the PetCube Bites 2. Picture this. You're at work, but your furry buddy is giving you those puppy eyes from home. Fear not, this genius pet cam has got your back. Simply connect it to your Wi-Fi and bam! You're instantly connected to your pet's world in glorious 1080p HD video. Talk about being tech-savvy. Oh, and did we mention the built-in treat dispenser? You can now fling treats remotely and reward your pet's good behavior. It's like a vending machine for pets. Plus, with sound and motion alerts, you'll never miss a beat. Get ready to be the coolest pet parent on the block with the PetCube Bites 2. Amazon Kindle Scribe. This bad boy is not your average ebook reader. We're talking a whopping 10-inch display that's perfect for reading, writing, journaling, and even sketching. And get this, it comes with a fancy schmancy pen. It's like Picasso meets technology. Plus, no more reading in the dark. It's got a built-in light that adjusts to your surroundings. With 16 gigs or 64 gigs of storage and support for all kinds of ebook formats, this Kindle is a reader's paradise. And did we mention its superpowers? WhisperSync, X-Ray, Goodreads, Audible, and Kindle Unlimited. Oh yeah, it's a dream come true. iRobot Roomba Combo. Get ready for the ultimate cleaning superhero. This bad boy doesn't just vacuum or mop. It does both like a boss, no strings attached. Talk about convenience. And guess what? It's a mind reader too. Yup, no special instructions needed for it to switch from carpet cleaning mode to mopping mode. Plus, when it's on carpets, the mop pad magically lifts up, making sure those carpets stay pristine. Oh, and did we mention the self-emptying base station that can hold a whopping 60 days worth of dirt? It's like having your own little dirt black hole. With smart mapping technology and sensors for objects, hazards, and even those pet accidents, this bot leaves no dirt unturned. And here's the cherry on top. You can boss it around with Alexa or Google Assistant. Cleaning has never been this cool. So, which of these awesome gadgets caught your eye? See you later!